Hey everyone, it's Cerise here and welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm standing in my new, you can see like the jinky job I did it just straightening my hair. You can see I'm standing in my new beauty room. So let's show you. I'm so excited. So there is my obviously full length mirror. I'm like, oh god, oh you can see my outfit. Okay, so let's switch around. So this is it here. I'm like, can I even zoom out? There's just so much going on. It's so insane. So I have a full room. My floor's a bit squeaky. So me and my boyfriend bought a house and I get to have my very own YouTube room, and this is it here. I will do an in-depth one, but I'm just showing everything. Okay, so you obviously walk in the front door and then what you see is I've got two mats on the floor. I think this is going to be my like YouTube filming nook. Like I'll just kind of sit there and then that'll be my background. I thought that's real pretty. You can see the view outside. So let's start with the first things I have. This is just like a drawer set that I've got, you know, just random things in like nail polishes, that kind of thing, and extra stuff that I just needed to store away. Then I have my sunglass collection here. I used to have more, but you know, just thought I'd display those. And then I have all of my, what do you call them, perfumes. I've got my unicorn head that my friend got me for my birthday. Some colored pencils. And then if you go up, oh, this is also my huge wardrobe that I've got everything in there, and all my shoes down there. And some extra stuff up there. And then on this shelf here I have my subscriber gifts from Grace Rios. So she got me this llama and then the little baby llamas, and then I've got Yas from my friend, and then my Rick from The Walking Dead, because you guys know I love zombies. And then up here I've got my birthday beer, my July beer, and then an old beer I got for like my first Valentine's Day or something, just something nostalgic. Then I've got my mermaid memorabilia here and here, and this is really cool. This lights up. I got it from my friend Claudia, so thanks Claude. And see, it lights up blue, so it's really cool. And then behind here is from my friend Haley, and this lights up rainbow. Oh, it's just having a wee glitch. So those light up like that, which I think are really cool. See? I'll just leave them going. And then I have the flowers from my mum's wedding that I was a bridesmaid for, and I actually installed these shelves. I put them in myself, as you can see. I'm quite proud of them, even though they're a bit wobbly. And then I have an art that I got for my birthday from a friend. And then of course my Jeffree Star lipsticks, a little fake cactus because feng shui, and then my Don't Be a Dick sign because I love that. And then down here I've got some Bon Bon Factory stuff, and then of course unicorns, my friend Erin, some jewelry, a lot of unicorn stuff. I actually got two of these, one Christmas, my friend Erin and my boyfriend actually got me one. Here's the other one here. So I got two of the same. And then this is where I will do my makeup here. Oh, also my Jeffree Star records, but I don't have a record player, so it's obviously just there. So this is my wee table here, so hi! So this is where I've got all my makeup, some spare Jeffree Stars, my makeup brushes, and then my more makeup brushes, more stuff, some mints, because, you know. And then I've got some drawers here, and also the saddle stool so I can sit on it when I'm doing my makeup, and all my electronics along there. Got my Jeffree Star mirrors hanging there. And then in here I've got kind of like face halos, face cleaners, hair brushes, that kind of thing. And then in here I've got all my hair care products, some spare tripods, that sort of thing. And then over here is my big A-frame thing that I put together with my sister at like 2 in the morning when I first moved in. It's actually a little bit rickety because I did it wrong. As you can see, I couldn't even really put it together, so I need someone to help. But on the top row, I have my Jeffree Stars, I have my NYX from my NYX calendar, a lot of my MACs and little Kylies, that sort of thing. This I got for like my 16th birthday from my friend who went to Disneyland. I've never gone to Disneyland, so I've got that there. Some like pretty tinsel because I wanted it to be aesthetically pleasing. A little cute bag. Then on this row, I've got all my Kiss Me lipsticks and some Kylies. This is full, so I do need to get another one for the new Kiss Me ones that should be arriving. And then this one here has like necklaces, gold and silver. This one here is my little rings and that kind of thing. But then I have all my chokers along there that I've got off AliExpress, that, you know, things from there. Then on this level, I had to display my Jeffree somewhere. You'll see them, all the boxes kind of hanging out. But I have all of my palettes, some Jeffree Star ones, some other ones, my Tarte ones, just all of the palettes there. And then of course my swivel Jeffree Stars. I've got them all there. It looks like there's not much in there because I've got them in another shelf down here as well. So up here, this is my unicorn holder. I thought I'd display it like that because it's a bit prettier like on the outside if you see. Then on the downstairs one, behind there I've got all my headbands just hanging up, just out of the way. I've got all my Glamour palettes, my miscellaneous kind of palettes. Then I've got lipsticks that there's not a big set of, some little NYX minis, and then Mermaid glitter palette there, some little drawers. And then here I have my Jeffree Star highlighter set. I've used that one, so that's not there. Some jewelry. Down here I've got my hair extensions and like some little things, a little rat thing that I got from the warehouse and put Google eyes on because it's so cute. And then some Jeffree Stars there, and then my little camera behind there and that there. I don't really know if I want to change how that's displayed. Like, I'm not sure if I want to move these up there. I have a lot, so this is just the first thing I decided to do. So that's on a little thing there. And then I've got a mirror here. Hello, you can see me. This stool I got for my lounge, but I put it in here because I was trying to hang pictures up there, but they keep falling off in the night. I'm like, it's either demons or my shoddy handiwork, but that was there to put my stuff up. And then up there is my article that I was in for doing the 100 layers of liquid lipsticks first. So I've got my articles there. And I did want to have them up there, but I thought I'd just put them there because I didn't really know where else to put them. So see, they're just out there. And this is the view from my house, but I won't like film the person's house. And then there's my full length mirror there. I've got all my headbands on top, all my cat ears, that sort of thing. And then my full length mirror. And then I've got my computer and my awesome zebra picture that my older sister got me again from like a thrift store. I've got my tripod and my light just hanging there because I don't really know where else to put it. A hat, full length mirror, that's the door that you enter and exit from. I've had this mirror for like so many years. You can see all the weird stickers that are on it. So this gets my computer table. Also underneath, some packages that I need to open on camera, that sort of thing. Cords, I got like a zebra print cord. As you can see, I'm obsessed with animal print. I've tried to downplay it, but I am. So this is my computer desk. I have my phone holder there. I've got my box from May from Singapore. My Walking Dead figurines. A thing of like highlighters, pens, some little drawers with stuff. My Michonne, my Carol, my Glenn. I couldn't get any more because I couldn't find them. So if you guys want to find them for me, that'd be great. And then I've just got a few other things behind there. Then my computer, hey. And then here I have my mermaid holder with like some pens. My sister does Tupperware and I have a little micro pressure cooker thing which I will do reviews on and stuff like that. I just haven't used it yet because I've been here literally like 2 days. Then I have this cool money box which is really cute. It was in the kids section. Mitch said I couldn't buy it, so I was like, I'm buying it. My beautiful picture from Grace Rios, thank you. So she's the one that gave me the llamas as well at the start. I've got a picture of, not a picture, I've got paw prints of my old dog there, and then I've got this squishy also from Grace Rios, like when I'm stressed because I don't have internet right now, so I'm just like, ugh, I don't know when this video will get posted because I don't have internet for 2 weeks, so that's exciting. But yeah, that is my beauty room there. in the comments down below, what do you think of the beauty room? Do you think I should film from this way, from that way? The reason why my computer is there is because if I put it the other way, the sun will glare onto it and it will break it over time. So that's why it's the way it is. I was originally going to have my film set up there, and I was going to put my Jeffree Stars wall on display there. It was going to be completely different, but I have changed it just so the integrity of my stuff won't break. So it is all changed like this. So I'm really excited for it. It took a good day and a half to buy all the things, set them up. My family helped set them up, like my brother and stuff, because I just, after I put together this A-frame thing, I was like, I need a lot of help with this desk. My 11-year-old nephew put together this chair for me. I'm just hopeless. I just need everyone to help me. But yeah, this is my beauty room. Hopefully you guys like it and love it as much as I do. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of it. And if you guys think I should move anything, yeah, just let me know what you guys think. I'm really happy with it, and it's my first ever beauty room. At the old house you saw I had a little corner. This is just a whole room where I can just do whatever I want. So there's going to be more exciting videos to come. I'm going to be able to broaden the whole horizon, and it's going to be so great. Yay! Also, I think my septum's looking pretty sick. Oh, what do you guys think? But anyway, I'm just rambling and I need to go make some breakfast or something. But yeah, I thought I would update you guys and show you guys my beauty rooms, because I posted a picture on Instagram and everyone's like, oh my god, beauty room tour. So here it is. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!